So what we mean by soil health is basically it's soil's ability to function. The function of the soil, basically, its ability to operate, its ability to absorb water, to exchange nutrients and water, and to be in good heart, basically. Anybody can regenerate soils, and it really just depends on what your timescale is. If you want to do it in a short term, you go all in, you can do that. Or if you want to take things a bit steadier and test the water as you go, you can do that as well, basically. It's a movable feast, but anyone can do it. So at the course here at FarmEd, we will cover soil health principles and the evidence that we've gleaned on farm, on UK farms, and basically how you can then go and apply that thinking, basically, those decision-making approaches to your own farm and your own operations.